Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys how I do my daughter's passion twist. This may be the shortest tutorial that you will see from me, but pretty much I just crochet the hair through the rubber band. This is the rubber band method, and what I do is that I have a loop, and so I take one strand of the passion twist hair and I pull that one strand through that loop to make a knot. This method helps conceal the rubber band, as you can see. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take her hair and I'm going to squeeze it so that way the rubber band is tight. I'm then going to do the rope method. If you guys don't know, what you're doing is twisting each strand to the right, and then you're going to do a regular 2-strand twist, but you're going to keep twisting to the right. Twist and twist is what I call it. Now this method works for her hair all the way down because her hair is butt length, so I have no choice but to twist all the way down. This method is also going to create a cleaner look of passion twist if you're looking for a more bohemian, messy type of look. What you'll do if your hair is shorter, you'll Senegalese twist all the way to wherever the person's hair stops. So if your hair stops about where I'm at right now, then you will start to regular 2-strand twist the hair. And what this will do, it'll give it more of a fluffy, messy, bohemian gypsy type of look. The ends will still be curly. It will just create a more messy look. So like I said, since her hair is butt length, I have to do the twist all the way down, or else it's going to look very tacky. It's not going to look bohemian cute or gypsy cute or messy cute. It'll look like, yeah, rough. So that's what I'm doing. I'm pretty much doing the Senegalese rope twist all the way down, where I'm twisting each strand and then twisting on top of one another. I hope that makes sense. The next clip you're going to see is me doing, just putting mousse on her hair just to make the curls form back together. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There is a little video and pictures at the end, so enjoy, share. Bye guys.